Experience compact portable lighting built to adapt, perform, and survive in the most demanding job site conditions. Milwaukee introduces the M12 ROVER service and repair floodlight with USB charging. The compact size and form of this light allows you to grip it for comfortable handheld inspection. High-strength magnets and keyhole mounting slots give you the ability to stick it to your work surface for hand-free use. The M12 ROVER service and repair floodlight delivers 700 lumens of TRUEVIEW High Definition Output with up to 24 hours of runtime with an XC4.0 pack. Built to adapt to the job site, pivot the light head 110 degrees for a directional task lighting solution. The floodlight comes equipped with built-in USB charging to power your small electronic devices while on the job. Proven to survive the elements on the job site, the M12 ROVER service and repair floodlight is IP54 water and dust resistant and can survive drops from up to 9 feet. Milwaukee High Output Lighting adapts, performs, and survives in the most demanding job site conditions.